Hey guys, today we are checking out this. This is a dashcam for your car, and it's called BlueSkySea B4K Ultra HD Dashcam. We have some feature indications over here, but we'll go through the menu and it will show you most of them. And this is just an empty box. We are not going to unbox it because there's nothing interesting over there. In fact, there are just three elements. There's the camera with the mounting bracket. There's the power cable, which I'm not going to use because I already have some wiring done in this car, so I don't need this. And there was a user manual. So let's check the device. You can remove it, so I can show you how it looks. We have a huge wide screen. We have three buttons on the right side. We have one button on the left side and a micro SD card port. We have, I'm not sure if those are speakers, but we have also a reset button over here. And there's a GPS connector over here because this bracket, this mounting bracket, is integrated with a GPS receiver for your position and your speed. So let's put it back in its place. Let's go to the menu and we will browse all the features that we have over here. First of all, you have resolution. So we are going to set it to the lowest one. This is full HD, but you have a different choice over here. You can make some corrections to the sensor, to the camera sensor. You can turn on and off audio. You can add the date stamp to your recordings. You can set how long should each individual video file be. Is it 1 minute, 3, 5 or 10? You can set your G-sensor sensitivity over here. You can select or enable your parking mode, and there are three different types of triggers over here. You can have it in time-lapse, so it's recording all the time. You can set it to motion detection or event trigger, so I believe this is a G-sensor vibration triggered event. We have time-lapse settings, motion detection settings. We have fatigue reminders, so this will remind you after an hour or two that you need to take a break. We have number plates that will be displayed on your recording. We have a speed stamp setting. We have GPS stamp, so you will have your position on the videos. You can select which units you want to use. You can turn on and off Wi-Fi because this can connect to your smartphone, so you can browse and control it, browse the media and control the device from your phone. You can format the SD card. You can change language, and there are just 5 over here. And what else? Set the date, set the time zone, set the frequency of the lights, if it's 50 or 60 Hertz, and this will help you diagnose flickering. If you have some flickering on your screen, you can turn on and off the beep that you hear over here. And you can set how fast the screen should turn off by itself if there's no input. Restore default settings, check the version, and that's pretty much it. You can turn on the Wi-Fi from the menu over here, or you can just press and hold the middle button on the right side for a few seconds, and it should enable the Wi-Fi connection by itself. And over here I have a phone, and I believe that if I toggle the Wi-Fi connection, I will see the camera network over here, and once we are connected to it, I can run the application and we can check some settings of the dashcam from this app. And we can see that we have a live view over here. We can take a photo. We can go to full screen mode like this. We can go to settings, and we have some settings, but most of them are available on the menu over here. But if for some reason you want to do it from the phone, you have that option. You can go to the library, and you will have all your recordings over here. Of course, you can just take the card out and use a card reader with your computer, and you will have same access to those files. But over here we have a list with timestamps, with dates, and I accidentally pressed something, but we have a preview of the file over here. Okay, so let me show you some sample footage, and keep in mind that YouTube will downgrade the quality with its codec, so those videos actually look a little bit better than you can see them on YouTube. And after that we will talk some pros and cons of this device. Okay, so we've seen some sample footage from this camera, and basically more light, better quality. Now let's talk pros and cons of this device. First of all, the installation is very easy and it's detachable, so you can take it with you for some reason if you want to. The image resolution is very high, the screen is very big, which is very useful. There are many parking modes, which also is very useful if you want to set it for your needs. There's a lots of options, and even with those this number of options, the menu is still pretty simple. There's no sub menus. It's hard to get lost over there, so that's also a big pro. There's Wi-Fi, so we can control it from your phone. You don't have to watch it on this screen, even though this screen is pretty big if you want to watch the recorded videos. So now cons. I believe if I set it to Full HD instead of the Ultra HD, the image quality is actually lower, and that's strange to me, but maybe that's just a specific file that I choose from the card. And I don't like that the USB cable and the power brick are connected. There's no detachable USB cable. I would prefer one, but that's a minor issue. And I don't like that the adjustment angle over here. There are some presets, and this one is a little bit too low. I can still see my car's hood, and this one, the next one, is a little bit too high, so I actually don't see the part of the road that I'm interested in. So if you have a windscreen at a different degree, it will fit your car better than mine. And what's else over here? Oh, the files on the SD card are not in MP4 format, but in .ts or something like that. And I had to re-encode them to use them in this video, so that's also a minor complication. And if you are going to preview the videos from your phone using the Wi-Fi, and if you are using 4K resolution over here, there will be a little bit frame drop or lag. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. The most important part of the video quality, you can judge it yourself. If you want to check the technical specification of this device, there's something in the description below this video. Also, I'm linking the raw footage, and if you want to buy a device like this or check it in store, there's a link to Amazon and to AliExpress, so you can check it out. That's pretty much it for today. Give me thumbs up if you like this quick, let's call it a review, quick test, and see you soon in future videos.